Each time history repeats itself, the price goes up. There are so many adages regarding how knowing history is valuable to our future. As downtime in the transportation industry needs to be avoided as much as possible, repeat mistakes just can't happen. And this is where historical knowledge is power. No more second guessing if you've performed this same repair already, or wasted time digging through last month's paperwork to find out. With the EMDECS all-in-one maintenance and management solution for heavy goods vehicles, unit repair history is available with just a few quick clicks from any device connected to the internet. Use historical data to make more informed decisions, spot failure trends, and overall build a better future for your vehicles and your business. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what EMDECS has to offer. Visit brightorder.co.uk today to book a free tour of our robust EMDECS system and find out how we can streamline your operations at every level.